Do you know with your 53 million naira, you can own a unit 2 of the Lekki Avanna and resort against the 58 million for the bungalow without solar? Do you also know that with your 60 million naira, you can also own a unit of Lekki Avanna and resort against the 65 million? You are wondering, how is this possible? Come along with me. Come. And let me show you how you can key into this offer right now. Right now. Now, with your 53 million naira, you can own a unit of 3-bedroom bungalow of Lekki Avanna and resorts. And also, with your 60 million, you can also own the 3-bedroom bungalow with solar in Lekki Avanna. All you need to do is to unlock them all with your power of initial deposit. Just make initial deposit of 25 million and you are on your way of owning a unit, whether you want the one with solar or the one without solar. So with your 25 million initial deposit, you can buy Lekki Avanna 3-bedroom bungalow against the 58 million naira you are seeing all over on social media. You can get it right here with 53 million, and the one without solar against the 65 million all over on social media, you can get for 60 million naira. All you need to do is initial deposit of 25 million and you spread the remaining balance for 3 months. This is a good offer, and remember, this offer is only for 10 individual who is ready to key in right now, and this offer ends on the 18th of March 2025. So this is a good deal right now. Do you know that after the 18th of this month, the price of the one without solar moved from 58 million, which is the current price, to 68 million, and the one with solar, which is 65 million right now, is going to move to 75 million naira. So this is the best time to key in with your power of initial deposit of 25 million and you spread for 3 months interest free. I know you will jump on this. All you need to do right now, give me a call and let's have a good deal right here with Lekki Avanna.